Garvin Industries 45-degree liquid-tight connectors come in 1/2 inch through 4 inch sizes and are made from a rugged malleable iron body with steel lock nuts, gaskets, and a steel sealing gland. To install these products, simply remove the compression nut, remove the inner sealing ring, as well as the steel ferrule. You now have the body of the connector. Okay. Take your liquid tight conduit, place the gland on the body of the liquid tight conduit and set it back. Then put on your sealing ring. At this point, you need to thread in the ferrule to the inside of the conduit. Now, the end portion will dead end back into the threaded portion. You then slide up the sealing ring and install the compression gland. Make sure you tighten with channel lock pliers. Once the gland is tightened down to create a watertight seal with the liquid tight conduit, simply remove the lock nut, leaving the rubber gasket in place on the threaded portion of the connector. The rubber gasket then creates a watertight seal against the box or enclosure like so. And when you tighten the lock nut onto the connector, creating a watertight seal on the box as well as the connection point. For these and other great products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.